Hello everyone, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to pump the air into the yoga bowl. So you might be thinking this is just like a basketball where you take a needle like this and you put it inside and then you pump it that way, but that's not the case. You need a different attachment, something like this, to pump the air. Now I'm just using the device that I use to pump the air in my car, and so all I'm gonna do is just put this attachment inside here, close this off, and we're gonna use this to pump the air. And this is how it looks like. So now this actually is a plug, so all you have to do is take out this plug. I'm just gonna use a little flat-headed screwdriver to just pull it out. Now you hear the air is coming, so it's just a big hole and it just gets plugged with this plastic piece. And once you're done pumping to the desired pressure, all you do is you put the plug back in, and that's it. That's how you pump the air into the yoga bowl. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.